My dream is to make people happy and to make people smile with my work.
Well, I never smile on pictures and I'm always smiling next to you, so mission accomplished. What advice do you live by?
Life is short, so live the moment. Take the trip, kiss that person, dream your dream, do whatever you feel.
I'm up for it. What inspires you?
Women like you. I have such incredible friends in my life and I get to meet such wonderful women. I'm always inspired by them.
What I loved very much is to see you sketch and to see you just sit down, grab a piece of paper and just magically draw like that. It's been a dream, honestly.
I love to sketch. It's bringing your dreams into paper somehow.
And you have an incredible talent.
Thank you. How would you describe our collection in 3 words?
I would say timeless, versatile, and very, very me.
Muy nosotros también. Pero,
Muy nosotros. Pero soy yo
pero
la
más
que se
tú.
los va a poner.
Sí, exacto.